Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Fakir Hakim, and today I want to talk about consolidation settlement. So before we know about the consolidation settlement, we must know about the definition of the settlement. What is settlement? So settlement is defined as the downward movement of the ground due to change in stress within it. Excessive ground movement can cause damage in buildings, structure, and transport infrastructure, from bridge to tunnels to road, pavement, and railways. The settlement can be almost instantaneous or can take years or decades to occur, depending on the underlying soil condition and cost of the movement. Then we can know about the consolidation settlement. So, what is consolidation settlement? Consolidation settlement is the process by which the volume of soil is decreased by removal of water from the pore of the soil mass. When the saturated soil layer is subjected to increasing stress, the hydrostatic stress suddenly increases. In the soil like sand, the permeability is commonly high and the pore water immediately drains out. Because of pore water reduction, the reduction of volume occurs in the soil and that results in consolidation settlement. Okay, so there are a few types of settlement. As you can see on the figure, there are three types of the settlement, which is uniform settlement with no cracks. So the uniform settlement is the structure we settle by the same amount along its length and no damage will occur. Although the wall structure will be lower of course. Okay, and then the tipping settlement, mostly we have cracks. If a structure tips, then a straight line can be drawn between one of its edges to the other. Then the different sections of the structure are moving to a greater or lesser degree. Okay, and last but not least is the common settlement which may occur in the structure or building is differential settlement with cracks. Differential settlement occurs when one part of a structure settles more or faster than another. If one edge of structure moves more than another, the structure will tip. Differential settlement will not cause stress to build up and so should not cause damage. Then we can know about the settlement causes. So, what is the settlement causes? Settlement causes is a soil of different lithological characteristics in the horizontal direction, drying of soil surface layers, the proximity of trees with large roots, piping leads, sewer drainage, excavation near the structure, different dimension and depth of structure foundation, and also the vibration. So then we must know about the phase in consolidation. There are three phases, which is initial consolidation, primary consolidation, secondary consolidation. When a load is applied to a partially saturated soil, a decrease in volume occurs due to expansion and compression of air in the void. So then there is the initial consolidation, then the primary consolidation. After initial consolidation, further reduction in volume occurs due to expansion of water from the voids. Then the secondary consolidation, the reduction in volume continues at very slow rate even after the excess hydrostatic pressure developed by the applied pressure is fully dissipated and the primary consolidation is complete. So what is the example of settlement? As you can see on the figure, there are the some settlement which is differential settlement. So in the figure show the settlement in residential area at Gombak, Selangor. Settlement occur due to the drying of the soil surface area, excavation near the structure, or maybe because of the different dimensions and depth of structure foundation. Okay. So what is the best way to prevent this settlement is to analyze the soil you are planning to build on, as well as the surrounding environment. In the ideal situation, the site soils will be non-expensive, meaning they have little clays or silts. Also, ideally, the structure will be laid on undisturbed native soil. An engineer can determine the load bearing capacity of the soil and estimate settlement of the plane structure. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.